what's going on, guys? Lachlan Roadblocks here, and welcome back to my third video, I think. Depends what order I upload these in. So, today I'm going to be showing you a few of my favourite motorbike jumps. Now, these are all going to be in separate videos, so that I can edit them so you don't have to witness me walking around everywhere like a big goofball I am. So anyway, we're approaching our first one. Very close now. It's just a dam banked by one of my dams at home. So, yeah. We're here now, so I'll give you guys a quick look. And there we go. I don't know whether you can see it too good, but what I do is I grab my YZ85 and roar up this hill. Probably, hold on, I'm just trying to get up the hill. Oh god, she's pretty steep. So, yeah, so grab me YZ, roar down there, I'll show you down. Then probably get up to this side with the wheels, go along here somewhere, land about here. And that's one of my favourite jumps on the farm. So when I get my GoPro type of thing, I will be attaching that to my helmet and you guys will be able to see me do it. So yeah, I'll see you till the next clip. Okay, I'm back at the second spot, and it may not be the biggest jump in the world, but if you get a long enough run up, it can be pretty mean. Like literally, because I've fallen off before over here. So, I know it doesn't look like much, but when I used to have my JR80, which is a old Suzuki model, here it is. It's all like cracked and stuff now, but yeah, I think you guys can see that. So anyway, like you go up this bit, it used to be a lot flatter. So you go, ning, and if you got a long enough run up from those gates over there, I don't know if you can see because that's a bloody tree. If you went right back, you could get some serious air. I'm talking like for like a JR80, that high off the ground, which is pretty high to be honest. So yeah, that's the second spot. I will be recording all of these when I have my GoPro. Also, the quality of the last introduction video was a bit bad because of the wind, and still today it's a wind. Well, this is the same day, what am I talking about? So anyway, yeah, I'll be recording all of these when I get my GoPro. I'm trying to save up for it right now because I'm poor, but we are approaching the next jump because they're very close. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Rightio guys, we've arrived at the third spot, which used to be my favourite until I found out about how good the other jump was. And so anyway, here it is. The lighting's horrible because I am right in the face of the sun right now, being Australia, big black, what am I mean, yellow sun. Sorry, that a thing. But there it is, so you go from those trees all the way over there. So in between those two cypresses, go along here, and then up there, and this jump is where you would get the most air. Like, I literally could jump over my father. Like, I know that sounds dangerous and all, but I mean, like, he'd be crouching, so you can see down there. So you go up here, and my dad would crouch here, and I would take off with so much force and power and height that I could physically jump over him. And hello, I'm here. And you could land about here, and it really hurts your back. Like, I mean, like, my back was really hurting, and I did stand up as you missed you once you completed a jump, but it was such a big jump. Like, I know maybe one of you guys is probably a really good motorbike rider and you're like, oh Lachlan, that's not even big, but for me it's big, okay? and it hurt my back. I don't know whether I'm doing it wrong or something, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be uploading this either today, the same day as the introduction video, or I'll upload it tomorrow if I get a chance. So you guys are awesome. Please give me the feedback about my videos. I know the lighting and wind is terrible, but until I get my GoPro, that's the best I can do, guys. So anyway, so there's the back of the jump, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Toodaloo.